See, I just love this messy look. Messy, 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 yes. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we have another unit from Sensationnel that we're going to review. So we have the Butta Lace Unit 16. Now I just reviewed Butta Lace Unit 17, which was the crimp style. I have plenty of the Butta Lace units. I pretty much have all of them. I think I've reviewed most of them at some point. So I will definitely try to link those below if I don't remember. My returning subscribers and my YouTube babes, you guys remind me of that. Or if you haven't seen it, or if it's one you want to see, leave that in the comment section below. I will definitely link it there. So this one here that I'm wearing is the Butta Lace Unit 16. The color that I'm wearing this one in is going to be Flamboyant Chocolate. So I already put this on. I already wore it. The great thing about this is I picked it up in 2 colors. So this way I can give you kind of like an update on the wig. So I wore it like twice, and I do have some cons after wearing it that I didn't have before. So I'm glad that I took my time and came back and talked about this wig, because a lot of times when you run out and you buy them because of the colors or because of the initial style, and then over time you're like, I really shouldn't have spent the money on that. Not saying that that's the case, but you know what I mean. So the next color we're going to review, and I'm going to do that one from scratch, is going to be Flamboyant Blonde. So like I said, this one here is the chocolate. I'm going to get up close so you guys can see it. You definitely get darker browns up here, and then you get the lighter color underneath. You're going to get those peeking through on both sides. You get these Farrah Fawcett curls that kind of go back. It is a middle part. As you can see my cap here. I did not put this down. I just threw it on just so I could film. And like I said, we're going to put down the one that's the blonde. I do love how these curls are. They're just kind of thick, and they just sit there. I like that. When I turn around, you'll be able to see that the way that the curls are, they're kind of like effortless. I do not like this bottom piece because it's very wimpy. This piece here, you could go ahead on and just snip it off, or you can do like I did when I initially wore, which is I went in and I put some curls in that piece. So I'm going to turn around, like I said, so you guys can see this chocolate color in its goodness, because it's a really pretty color. So this is that color. Make sure that you guys can see the hair does move. It moves really, really well. So I like that about the hair. It does move. And like I say, it's really pretty. It's just that it is textured and it didn't last as much. But if you don't care about having controlled curls, if you just want something that's kind of effortless, this is going to be the style for you, because like I said, I liked it. I like it like this, where it's just kind of effortless and light, and I could just throw the curls, you know, whichever way, and I don't have to worry about them really being in a certain style, so to speak. But everybody may not like that. I definitely like the peekaboo of color. If I was to go in and do anything with this wig, it would definitely be go ahead on and take this piece here off, use some thinning shears, something like these, go in and just clip it and take that tip off. Once you do that, to me, it looks really good. To get the curls back in, you can go in and you can put some rollers, dip it in hot water, let it sit on your mannequin hair or something like that, or you can use your curling iron, whichever you prefer to do. You can do either one of those. So let's go ahead on. Let's get into the blonde color, because like I said, this one here is really pretty. I really like it. But yeah, let's see how this blonde color look. Let's do that right now. I really like the blonde color. Super pretty. So the blonde color I really like. You're going to get some 613s in here. You definitely get the number 6 in here. You're going to get that white blonde also in here. It comes with a great dark root. The dark root is a light brown, which is great that it's not a black, so it's not going to be too harsh. I do like that. And again, this is it fresh out the pack. That's how this one looks, where you're just getting this, like, it's like a curl, but it's really like a ripple wave. It's like they went in, they made layers, and then they put like a big wave type in it, so when you rub your hands through it, that you just get like effortlessness. Now I know I like this color. I think with the peekaboo on the side, I'm gonna love it. You guys know I like blondes. I like these highlights. Girl, let's get into it. Sis is giddy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so this is it in the blonde color, and it's pretty as well. I like this up in here. It's more like a, I don't know, like a honey and a brown mixed, and then you get this piece underneath. So I like it. I think it's pretty. Let me put all the hair to the back. I didn't put any baby hairs out or anything like that. I literally just sprayed this wig and laid it down. If you want to go in, let me put some powder in the part. You can obviously wear it like I had it where the hair was facing the front, or you can wear it where the hair is, you know, it's kind of going back. I will say that the blonde color seems to, of course, shed more. I feel like I'm getting more shedding from that color. So that's this color, and this one's pretty as well. Like I said, the parting area is okay for a middle part. It's just that I feel like this hair here won't last as long, but it's cute and effortless, like just pushing your hand through it, and it is textured, so you can put curls in her if you want the curls to be tighter. This one fit me better. It's not as tight, and I am using the adjustable straps in the back, so this one fit a little bit better to me. All in all, she's cute. This wave's a little bit different on this side, but like I said, I think she's just meant to be effortless and not really have a defined wave or curl pattern. Just kind of messy. So see, when I put my hand through like this and just kind of have it messy, it's just a messy curl pattern. And like I said, I like that. That's the back. Parting area isn't bad. Again, you can go in and you can pluck if you want to. I feel like it's not plucked enough for what they're trying to sell, but you guys let me know. I do love this color. So thanks again for stopping by the channel today. I appreciate you guys. Thanks again to all my returning subscribers and YouTube babes. Thank y'all for pulling up. Y'all know how I feel. Y'all the MVPs over here on the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Returning subscribers and YouTube babes. Hey girl, hey. If you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video.